Hi friends, this video shows how to connect LED light to microscope. So this is a LED light. I am going to connect this LED light to this microscope. So on this LED light here you can see one switch. We can on or off this LED light, and here we can see one knob. Using this knob you can adjust brightness of this light. See. So I am going to connect this LED light to this microscope. So let me focus this microscope, then change this angle, and here we can see one mirror. First we have to remove this mirror, so let me remove this mirror. We can just pull, see, this way we can remove the mirror. Then I am going to connect this LED light, and here you can see one hole. So we have to connect this LED light to this hole. So we can connect like this. Done. Then let me switch on. Then we can adjust the brightness. See. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.